Alright, so I'm going to do a bike check because I'm bored and I got a couple new parts. So, starting off, I have the Failure Mainiac frame in 20.4 and gloss black. It's really good. I like it. It's really short. Has a really short back end, like 13.2 back end, and yeah, that's it. I got ODI extra long neck grips with the ODI bars that came with. I'm running Shadow Voltus handlebars, 8.5 rise by 28. I like these bars because they have upsweep, and all other bars that I feel like when I ride my friend's bike feel bent, so I really like these bars. Have a profile, push them in 48 millimeter in aqua. You can't really see the aqua, it looks green, but it's teal. Next, I have a Shadow headset. It's like the only headset I've only ridden, and it's really good. For the forks, I have Shadow Voltus forks. I had them, so I got the bars that came with, and I like them a lot. For the wheels, I'll do them after. For the tire, I have a KHE Mac 2 park tire. It's real light, and I like it a lot. I'm running the premium slim pedals, the $100 pedals. They're good. The only bad thing is the pins fall out. I'm running profile spline drive cranks with a titanium spindle. Yeah, they're like the best cranks, 175s. Shadow bottom bracket. I'm running a Federal seat. I traded some kid because it was like the tealish aqua, so I don't know, I like it. The seat post is all the way down, and it's just a stock one. I just got this sprocket yesterday. It's a demolition one. It's like the $40 one. It's 28 tooth, and it's real good. I'm running a Mechanic half track chain. I like it. Hasn't snapped. I have a Maxxis grifter tire in the back in 2.10. For the wheels in the front, I'm running a Sun Envy rim. It's a race rim, but it's real strong and light, so I like it a lot. With purple nipples, titanium spokes, and a profile mini hub in aqua. Moving to the back, I'm running a Odyssey Hazard Light rim, purple nipples, titanium spokes all around, and a profile 3/8 cassette hub. That's my bike. It's really light, like really light. It's like probably like 19 or 20 pounds. And yeah, the things I like about it are definitely the wheels because they're super light, and the frame because it's super short and it's really responsive, and yeah, just a good all around bike. So thanks for watching. Bye.